Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about something that a lot of detailers, both beginners and professionals, absolutely love. All-in-one polishes. All-in-one polishes are designed to save time. They combine cutting, polishing, and protection into a single step. That means fewer products, less time on the car, and still very solid results. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with four of what I consider some of the best all-in-one polishes on the market today. I'll talk about how they cut, how they finish, how easy they are to use, and who each product is really best suited for. So let's get started. First up is 3D Speed. 3D Speed is a true all-in-one polish with light to medium correction and built-in protection, designed to combine polishing and protection in one simple step. It's essentially a polish and wax in one bottle, which makes it a huge time saver for both enthusiasts and professional detailers. In terms of cutting power, 3D Speed is ideal for removing light scratches, swirl marks, wash marring, and general paint dullness. It's not designed to tackle deep scratches. What really makes 3D Speed stand out is how easy it is to work with. You can use it with a dual action or a rotary polisher. The finish is very respectable for a one-step product. You get good gloss, noticeable depth, and a clean, refreshed look, while the built-in wax sealant adds a layer of protection that can last a few months. Overall, it is an excellent choice if you're looking for something simple, reliable, and efficient, offering a great balance between correction, gloss, and protection in one product. Next, let's talk about Coke Chemie P6.02 One Cut and Finish. P6.02 offers surprisingly strong cut for an all-in-one polish. With the right pad and machine setup, it is capable of removing moderate defects, heavier swirl marks, polishing haze, holograms, and even light scratches, all in a single step. In some cases, it can also handle sanding marks down to around 2000 grit, which is very impressive for a one-step product. The finish is where P6.02 really shines. It creates a very clear, glossy, and durable high-gloss finish. Even on darker or softer paints, it leaves the surface looking clean. It's economical, easy to polish, and easy to wipe off, as long as you don't overwork it. The formula also includes Carnauba wax, which provide a simultaneous sealing effect and help maintain that high-gloss finish after polishing. Overall, Coke Chemie P6.02 is a great option for professional detailers who want strong correction in a single step without sacrificing finish quality, offering an excellent balance between cutting power and gloss. Moving on to Menzerna One Step Polish 3-in-1. This product is designed as a true all-arounder, focusing mainly on gloss and refinement, while still offering light to moderate correction in a single step. It does a great job at reliably removing light swirl marks and light paint imperfections, and it can even polish out sanding marks from around 3000 grit when used with the right pad. While the cut is not aggressive, the clarity and finish it delivers are where this product really stands out. It's easy to control and straightforward to use, which makes it a solid option not only for professionals, but also for beginners. The polish also leaves behind a protective layer that helps maintain the high-gloss finish, making it ideal for detailing cars where the goal is visible improvement without going through a full multi-step correction. Overall, it's a very well-rounded one-step polish that delivers great results while keeping things simple. Next up is Rupes Uno Protect. Uno Protect is a very interesting all-in-one product because it truly combines light correction, polishing, and protection into a single step. It's capable of removing light to moderate defects while leaving behind a high-gloss, well-protected finish, making it especially effective for fast and efficient detailing work. Uno Protect delivers rapid results with minimal effort. The formula uses a blend of polymers, silicones, and Carnauba, which helps achieve that glossy finish while adding protection at the same time. Another big advantage is its versatility. It is compatible with random orbital, gear-driven, and rotary machines, and you can easily adjust the level of cutting and finishing by changing pad combinations. If you're working on vehicles that are already in good condition and you want a fast, high-quality one-step that delivers strong gloss and reliable protection, Rupes Uno Protect is a great choice. So, which one is the best? The truth is, there's no single best all-in-one polish. All-in-one products are about balance, efficiency, and saving time. And the right choice always depends on your workflow, your expectations, and the condition of the vehicle you're working on. What matters most is understanding what you want to achieve with a one-step process and choosing a product that fits that goal. When used in the right situation, all-in-one polishes can deliver impressive results, simplify your process, and make your detailing work more efficient. Let me know in the comments which all-in-one polish you're using and how it fits into your detailing routine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.